Now get the fuck out of here and find that goddamn ghost. All I wanna do is get blackout drunk and forget about you dumb bitches. Report back to me when you find that ghost. You are detectives or something after all. Miss Marvelcakes is peacing out, losers.
This academy is so big. My legs are starting to get tired from walking around all day all the time.
Get fucking used to it, you trapeze accident. We are here to be tip-tops, not shit-plops. Emma Debbie Ezra Malone, just once can you power through the fucking bone?
Every time you get tired I bail you out, bitch.
If my hair was